Hey everyone! If you're working with automation and need to clean or modify your data, Zapier Formatter is going to be really helpful. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Zapier Formatter step by step. First, sign in to your Zapier account and open the Zap you want to edit. Make sure you already have a trigger set up so there is data to work with. Next, click the plus button between steps and search for Formatter by Zapier, then select it to add a new step. Now choose the type of formatting action you need. For example, you can format text, numbers, dates, or even split and extract data from a field. If you're dealing with text, you can convert it to uppercase, lowercase, or even extract specific parts like names or emails. If you're working with dates, you can change formats or adjust time zones. After that, select the input field from your trigger data and configure the transformation settings based on your needs. So once you've set everything up, test the step to make sure the output looks correct and the data is being formatted properly. Finally, save your Zap and continue building additional steps if needed, or turn it on to activate your automation. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully used Zapier Formatter. Now you can clean and transform your data automatically without doing it manually. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.